Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat and today I'm gonna backtest price action strategy which was taught in last session. Okay, I repeat. In this video, in this session, I'm gonna backtest and show you the results. Okay, I'm gonna backtest and show you the results of price action strategy which was taught to you guys in the last video or in the last session. Okay, so right, welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. And yes, let's start. Backtesting price action strategy. So this is the agenda for this session. So I'm gonna backtest price action strategy now. And yes, this slide is very important. So everyone needs to look for these 5 confirmations while while using price action strategy for intraday trading. Okay, I repeat, 5 confirmation to look for before backtesting and before making an entry. I'm so sorry. 5 confirmations. These are all the 5 confirmations that you need to look for before making an entry using price action strategy for intraday. Okay. So among them, the first confirmation is you need to look for breakout. Okay. You need to look for a breakout or look for a rejection from the key level. You know what are key levels? Key levels are nothing but good support or good resistance or good trend line or good chart patterns. Okay, so all these good or strong levels are called key levels. Okay, so the first confirmation is you need to look for a breakout or look for a rejection from the key level. Okay, that is the first confirmation. And second confirmation is higher high and lower low formation. You need to look for higher high and lower low formation in 10-minute time frame after breakout or rejection from the key level. Okay, and both the breakout candle and the confirmation candle should be of same color. I repeat, the first confirmation is breakout. You need to look for breakout or you need to look for rejection from the key level. The second confirmation is you need to look for higher high formation or lower low formation in 10-minute time frame, and the both candles, the breakout candle and also the confirmation candle. Okay, those both, the color of that both candles should be same color. Okay, and you need to take confirmations from the VWAP, and also you need to take confirmation from 35 moving average, and right, you need to take confirmation from volume chart and 10 exponential moving average on the volume chart as well. These are all the 5 confirmations you need to look for before making an entry using price action strategy for intraday. I repeat, because this is very important. The first confirmation is you need to look for breakout or rejection from the key level. The second confirmation is you need to look for higher high or lower low formation, and colors of both the candle should be same. And if you are making a long position, if you are making a buy position, the both candles should be green color. Okay, after breakout or after rejection from a key level. Okay, if you are trying for if you are gonna make a sell position or if you want to go short, if you want to short the stock, then you need two back-to-back red candles in 10-minute time frame, and those red candles should be rejected by the key level, or you need to look for those thing after breakout. So that's second confirmation. And third confirmation is you need to look for VWAP, and fourth confirmation is you need to take confirmation from 35 moving average, and fifth confirmation is you need to look for volumes and moving average on the volume. Okay, which is 10 exponential moving average on volume chart. All right, so yes, let's backtest the strategy. You already know what is entry, stop loss, and target for price action strategy. I already explained you all those things, but this session will be like a revision session which will boost your confidence. Okay, so this session, the main agenda of this session is to just identify the levels, and I'll just try to backtest the strategy which I have explained you guys in the last session, and yeah, which will boost your energy and which will boost your confidence once we are at the end of this session. Okay, so that's the objective of this session. So let's get on to the charts. Let's backtest the strategy, then let's look for entry, exit, and target and stop loss things later on. Okay, so all right, so let's select Bajaj Finance. So I'm gonna delete all previous charts. I'm gonna delete all previous plottings. All right, now let's work on price action strategy. Okay, all right, I'm able to find this as a good support level. Okay, now see, stock took support, bounced back, took support, bounced back badly, took support, bounced back, and look, took support, bounced back, took support, bounced back. Okay, so finally it broke. It is coming out of a key level here. Okay, so my first confirmation is done because it's coming out of a key level. It broke the strongest support. Okay, so I got the first confirmation. Then I look for second confirmation. Second confirmation is nothing but lower low formation. When I say lower low formation, there should be, look at this scenario, two back to back red candles, and that should be rejected from the key level. This is key level, and I mean the key level is broken. That is first confirmation is done, and second confirmation is two back to back red candles from the key level, rejection from the key level, facing rejection from the key level. So two back to back red candles, fine. So time frame is 10-minute time frame, fine. Now yes, you need to be making entry at this level, at lower low formation. This is lower low formation. Okay, this is lower low formation. This is breakout candle. This is confirmation candle. So this confirmation candle should break or should breach the low of breakout candle. So this is where you should be making entry at lower low formation. Only when the both color of the color of the candles is red color. Okay, the both breakout candle and confirmation candle color should be red color. Okay, so second confirmation is also done. Now let's take confirmations from VWAP. VWAP. Oh, we are getting confirmation from VWAP as well. See, the candles are below VWAP, so it's suggesting us to make sell positions. Okay, so now let's get confirmation from 35 moving average as well. Moving average, enter the value 35, change the color to black, done. All right. Now this moving average also asking me to go for short because the candles are below moving average. Now I have got first confirmation, which is it's it came out of a key level. It broke out of a key level. Second confirmation is lower low formation, and with the both color of the candles are same. And third confirmation is below VWAP, and fourth confirmation is the candles are below 35 moving average as well. Now I look for fifth confirmation, which are volumes. Look at this volumes. Look at the volume size around the breakout. Okay, this candle is also breakout candle. Look, the volume bar is more. Look at the moving average on the volume bar. Okay, so that means more than average number of sellers are coming to the market if the candle is more than this black line. Okay, if the volume bar is red, that means more number of sellers are coming. If the volume bar is green, that means more number of buyers are coming. Okay, so here the volume bar is red color, and the red color bar is more than black line on the moving average. Black line on the volume chart. That means more number of sellers, more than average number of sellers are coming to the market during the breakout. So that tells that more number of sellers gonna come to the market and push the price down. So you can blindly make an entry here because you have got 5 confirmations. Among them, first confirmation is rejection from key level or breakout of a key level. Second confirmation is lower low formation. Okay, and the color of both breakout candle and confirmation candle are red. And third confirmation is your candles are below VWAP. Fourth confirmation is your candles are below 35 moving average. And fifth confirmation is your volumes are good. Your volumes are close to average number of volumes, and the candles colors are also red. That means more numbers of sellers are coming. So you can blindly make sell position here. All right, look at the move. All these are your profits. Okay, so that's how you should be making entry. This is your entry point. And okay, your stop loss should be here above the breakout candle. Okay, this is breakout candle, right? This is breakout candle, and your stop loss should be above the breakout candle. I repeat, your stop loss should be above the breakout candle. that is here in this scenario, and your target should be next support and resistance level. So let's zoom out and draw next possible support and resistance level. All right, this is next resistance level, right? I mean next support level, because stock took support and bounced back. Okay, here it took support, bounced back, took support, bounced back, and took support, bounced back. So that should be my first target in this scenario. Look at this scenario, my target achieved. So I'll be entering here at how much? I'll be entering at 3928. Okay, let me open calculator. I have entered at 3928 minus, I'm going to exit at this first target. First target is 3260. 3260 equal to 668 points. Seriously, did I enter right? Let me check. 3297. Entry point is 3297. 3297 minus target is 3259. Okay, 3259 or 3260 minus 3260. 37 points, sorry. Okay, we have got 37 points profit here. Imagine that you are entering with 100 quantities, okay, into 100. So your profit will be 3,700 rupees if you are trading with 100 quantities. But imagine that you are trading with 1,000 quantities. So 37 into 1,000. If you are trading with 1,000 quantities, your profit will be 37,000. It's good to hear that. It's very simple. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, it's very simple. You should not break the rules. You should be sticking to your rules, and you should be making entries only if you find them. If you don't find them, okay, leave it, search for another stocks. Okay, but you should not you should never break your rules. Sticking to your rules will give you good money. Okay, so the first confirmation is coming out of a key level or rejection from a key level. Second confirmation is lower low and higher high formation. Third confirmation is below VWAP. Fourth confirmation is below moving average. Fifth confirmation is volumes are good. So all five confirmations are working here. So I'm gonna short it and book my profits and enjoy my weekend. Okay. So it's that simple. So let's search for another opportunities, and I'll be explaining you. Oh, this seems great. So I'm gonna delete all these things and right. Look at this level. It acted as a resistance here and bounced back. Acted as a resistance here, bounced back. And finally it broke the resistance. Okay. So it's coming out of a pattern here. I mean, sorry, it's I mean it's breaking key resistance level. Okay. So my first confirmation is done. And second confirmation is higher high formation with both the breakout candle and confirmation. This is breakout candle and this is confirmation candle. Okay, so my confirmation candle and breakout candle both are red color, and I'm going to enter at this higher high formation here. So my second confirmation is done. And third confirmation, look, the candles are above VWAP. This is VWAP. So VWAP is asking me to go for buy. So I have got confirmation from VWAP also because candles are above VWAP. And moving average, 35 moving average. 35 moving average shows tells us short-term trend. So 35 moving average tells that, 35 moving average is also asking us to make buy position because candles are above 35 moving average. So we have got four confirmation and look at volumes. Volumes at the breakout. Okay. You need to look for volumes for breakout candle and also for confirmation candle. See, both are more than black line on the volume. That means more number of buyers came to the market. More than average number of buyers came to the market. Okay. Because this black moving average is nothing. Black line is nothing but 10 moving average. So more than average number of buyers came to the market. So fifth confirmation is also done. I repeat, breaking out of a key level, first confirmation done. Higher high formation and both the colors of the candle is red color. So second confirmation is done. Third confirmation is above VWAP done. Fourth confirmation is I mean, the candles are above 35 moving average. So fourth confirmation done. And fifth confirmation is volumes. Volumes are more than moving average on the volume. Okay. So I have got 5 confirmations. So I'll blindly make buy position here. Okay. At what price? 3361. I'm buying it 3361 minus. I'm going to sell now. So, I mean, in this scenario, my stop loss should be below this candle here, below the breakout candle. Or if it seems very huge, if the breakout candle is huge, you can place your stop loss here as well, below the key level. Okay, this is our key level. You can place your stop loss below the key level here also. Okay, no problem. If your breakout candle is very huge, you can do that. So this is how this should be our entry at higher high formation, and this should be our stop loss. And let's search for target. Target is our next support and resistance level. Okay, so I'll zoom out, and yes, this seems a good target. See, stock took support and bounced back, and this will be my second target. Let's go to my entry point. Oh, right. See, I have entered here. This is my first target. First target got reached in one candle only, and second target also got reached here. Okay, so I have entered it 3361, and I'm gonna exit at 3429 minus 3429 equal to 68 points profit. Okay, so 68 into, if you are entering with 100 quantities, 6800. If you are entering with 1000 quantities, it's 68,000 profit. Okay, so that's how you should be trading. Or let's select some other stocks and implement the same strategy. Let's not stick to one stock. If you are implementing in different stocks, your confidence will even, I mean, you'll gain more confidence. Okay, if I explain it with, if I explain it in other stocks as well. Okay, let's select Hindalco. Okay. Oh, all right. Before that, let me delete my plottings in Bajaj Finance. All right. So in Hindalco, I have selected Hindalco. I have randomly opened Hindalco, so there is no particular reason. I'll just try to search for key level breakouts and implement my strategy, how it's working. Okay. All right. See, your chart looks messy. You need to delete all these things and search for key levels. If your indicators are on the charts, then your chart will look messy. It will look ugly. All right, I have found my key level. I'll select segment and I'll draw this level. Okay, this is my key level because stock took support, bounced back once. Stock took support, bounced back twice. Again, okay, bounced back. And stock took support and bounced back. Again took support, again bounced back. Okay, finally it broke here. Okay, look, I have drawn a trend line with 1 and 2 touch points. Now at third and fourth and fifth, it behaved the same. At sixth touch point, it broke. Okay, so I'm gonna make entry at this point. At this point, I'm gonna make entry because my first confirmation is getting satisfied here. See, it coming out of a breakout. I mean, it's breaking key level. Candles are breaking key level and coming towards downward. So my first confirmation is done. So my second confirmation is lower low formation. This is lower low formation. Breakout candle and confirmation candle both are same color, and yes, I'll be entering here at lower low formation. Okay, and I'll also take confirmation from VWAP and 35 moving averages. VWAP, yes. VWAP is also asking me to go short. I mean, VWAP is also asking me to make sell position first because candles are below VWAP. So let me check with moving average 35 as well. Moving average 35 and changing the color to black, clicking on done. All right, 35 moving average is also asking me to make sell position because candles are below 35 moving average. Okay, so now I have got 4 confirmations and I look for fifth confirmation. Fifth confirmation is nothing but volume chart. So yes, look at the volume chart here for breakout candle and for confirmation candle. breakout candle saying that it's red color, and the volume, I mean the volume bar for breakout candle is close to black line, which is nothing but average number of buyers came to the average number of sellers came to the market. Okay, so you can comfortably make sell position here. Okay, so I repeat the confirmations which we have got here. The first confirmation is it's coming out of a key level, done. Second confirmation is lower low formation and both breakout candle and confirmation candle is of same color, done. Third confirmation is it's below VWAP, asking me to make a sell position, done. Fourth confirmation is it's below 35 moving average and asking me to make sell position as well. So done. I have got 4 confirmations. Now fifth confirmation is my volumes are good and they are close to moving average on the volume chart. Okay, done. So I have got 5 confirmations. So I'll blindly make buy position here. I'll blindly make sell position here. I'll go short here. So I'll be selling it 175.58. I repeat, I'll be selling it 175.58. All right. 175.58 minus. So in this scenario, my stop loss will be above the breakout candle. So this will be my stop loss. This is my breakout candle. So my stop loss will be above the breakout candle. Okay. So that's my stop loss, and my target will be next to support and resistance level. So I'll zoom out and search for targets. Okay. So this will be my first target. This will be my second target. This will be my third target. Okay. Because this area acted as a support and this area also acted as a support and this area also acted as a support. So this will be my 1, 2, 3 targets. Okay. All right. I have entered it 175.58. Okay. Now see, all these are my profits. My first target hit and also second target and also third target. It's close to third target. Okay. So all my targets got hit. So I'll be selling it here at this point. Okay. It is 171.28 minus 171.28. Sorry, I'll be buying there because I made a short position. So I'll be selling first and I'll be buying back later. So I have sold at 175.58. Now I am buying at 171.28. Okay. Equal to, now I have got 4.3 rupees profit. So imagine that you are entering with 1,000 quantities. Your profit is 4300. So that's how simple the trading is. Okay. You'll be mesmerized with the results. I mean, if you go on using my strategy, if you go on testing, if you go on back testing the strategy, you'll be amazed with the results. Okay. So it's very easy to make money from the stock market. You only need to do is identify proper levels. Okay. The first foremost thing everyone should master is they should be drawing support or resistance, trend lines and chart patterns properly. Okay. You need to identify them and you need to draw them properly. Okay. If you draw them properly, you can be rich. Okay. Just drawing, just drawing charts will give you money. It's that simple. Okay. Anyway, you know what are confirmations. First confirmation is coming out of a breakout or getting rejected from a key level. Second confirmation is lower low higher high formation. Third confirmation is VWAP. Fourth confirmation is moving average. Fifth confirmations are volumes. Okay, you know all these confirmations, but what is important is you need to identify the key level. Okay, you need to draw your key level perfectly. Okay, that gives you money. That will make you rich. It's not very difficult. Okay, there are there are I have many students who have mastered this technique in just 2 weeks and they started earning 2000 rupees in 2 weeks only. Okay, now they are earning 2000 rupees. uh, I have just taught them for 2 weeks, then they started earning 2000 rupees in 2 weeks. Okay, it's not very difficult. You just need to spend more time with the charts and you need to be drawing regularly, and yes, you need to be looking at the market regularly. All this gives you money. Okay, so let's select some other stock and implement the strategy and I'll show you the results. All right, let's go with Before that, I'm gonna delete all these things in Hindalco. Delete. Done. All right. Let's select Zeal. Okay. Or let's select big stock Maruti. Okay. I'll be I'll be back testing Maruti and also some other stock as well. Then I'll close the session. Okay. Oh, what a fall. I have identified my key level. This is my key level. Okay. This is my key level because it acted as a resistance here. Later it acted as a support here. It also acted as a support here. It also acted as a support here. It also acted as a support here. Finally it broke. Okay. So live market. Guys, I'm gonna backtest my strategy in the live market now. Okay. This result will you will get amazed with this result now. Okay. So this is my key level. And yes, and the breakout happened at my key level. Okay. So I have got the first confirmation because I have found the breakout at my key level. Okay. All right. Now let's look for second confirmation, which is lower low formation. Okay. All right. Lower low formation. This is my key level. And this is lower low formation. Okay. This is lower low formation because this is breakout candle. This is confirmation candle. Both the candles are red here. And the breakout candle's low is broken by confirmation's candle. Broken by confirmation candle. I repeat, this is my key level because it acted as a resistance here and it acted as a support here lot many times. It acted as support here once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and finally it broke. It broke the key level. So my first confirmation is done because it is coming out of a key level. My second confirmation is also done because here the lower low formation has happened and both the colors of both breakout candle and confirmation candle is red. And yes, the low of breakout candle is breached by confirmation candle, so I should be making sell position here. I'll be going short here at this point. Okay, here. So time frame should be 10 minutes. Okay. Now studies, I'm going to check for third confirmation, which is VWAP. All right, VWAP is also asking me to go for sell position. So let's confirm it moving average as well. Moving average. Okay. Value should be 35. Color should be black. Done. Okay. Here is the moving average. So moving average is also asking me to go for short position. Is also asking me to make sell position. All right. So now I got four confirmations. Now let me look for fifth confirmation, which is volumes. So look at breakout candle and also have a look at confirmation candles volumes. See, the volume bar is red color. That means more number of sellers are coming. And look at the volume bar. Volume bars are more than black line on the volume chart. That means more than average number of volumes. More than average number of sellers are coming to the market at the breakout and after the breakout. That means market gonna fall badly. Okay. Oh, I regret this. I'm missing a huge move. If I wasn't in a live session, I'm gonna catch this move and make some money. All right, no problem. So the first confirmation is coming out of a key level that happened, and second confirmation is lower low formation, and both colors of both the candles is red color. Okay, done. And third confirmation is VWAP. The candles are below VWAP, and fourth confirmation is 35 moving average. The candles are below 35 moving average. So now I got four confirmation, and fifth confirmation is volumes, and volumes are also more than average number of volumes. That is, volumes are more than black line. Okay. So I can comfortably make sell position here with 1,000 quantities. Okay. So imagine that I have entered it 6993. Okay. So 6993 minus. So in this scenario, my stop loss will be, I'll be placing stop loss here. Okay. Because this breakout candle is very huge. If I put my stop loss here, that's not a good decision. So I'll be keeping my stop loss here only, above the level, above the key level. Okay. So my stop loss will be here. This will be my entry. I have decided on entry by considering three confirmations. I mean, not three, five confirmation coming out of a key level, lower low formation, below VWAP and below moving average, and volumes are also great. So I have considered five confirmations. I have put my stop loss. I have entered at 6993. Now I look for targets. Now my target will be next to support and resistance level. So I have I should be zooming out, and yes, this is my level because see, stock took support here and bounced back. So this should be my first target, and this level should be my second target because stock is taking support here as well. Okay, so I'll go to my entry point, and look at the target. My target already achieved. I'm so happy. See, I have entered at 6993, and my target is at 6949 minus 6949 equal to, I have got 44 rupees profit. Okay, imagine that I already told that I'm going to enter with 1000 quantities. 1000 44,000. Okay, all right. Imagine that you are entering with only 100 quantities, 4,400, more than enough for a day. I'm gonna shut down my system immediately and I'm gonna have a break. Okay, so that's how you should be trading. Okay, so realize the importance, guys. I'm explaining it in live market. See, I'll again repeat. How did I take a trade here? The first confirmation is it's coming out of a key level because I have zoom out and look, stock took support here, bounced back, took support here, bounced back, took support here, bounced back, took support here, bounced back. Finally, it broke the key level. Okay, it broke the key level. So that's my first confirmation, and lower low formation is my second confirmation, and third confirmation is it's below VWAP. Fourth confirmation is it's below 35 moving average, and fifth confirmation is volumes are great. They are more than black line on the volume chart. So I'll be making sell position blindly, putting my stop loss here, and this will be my target because this is nearest support and resistance level. If I zoom out, I can find that. Okay. So that should be my entry. This should be my target. That should be my stop loss. I'm done for the day. Okay. All right. I'm going to explain this with another stock as well. Okay. So that you will gain more confidence. You'll get more confidence to use a strategy in different stocks in different ways on a regular basis because it helps you to make money on regular basis. Okay. So you need to master how to draw key levels, how to identify key levels, and you need to wait for the breakouts. Okay. So that's how you should be trading. So yes, I'm so happy. I mean, I have been explaining this in a live market, and look, my target is achieved. Okay. All right. Uh, Let me explain with which stock. Shall we go with HDFC Bank? All right, let's go with HDFC Bank. Okay, I'm gonna delete these indicators, and then I'll try to identify key level. Okay. Oh, it's already trading at key level. Okay, because stock here took support. I mean, here it acted as a resistance and bounced back. Later broke and went up. Now it's at that level now. Okay, look at this point. Now the stock is at critical level. So here in this scenario, it may take support and it may bounce back, or it may break this level and come down. If it's coming down, you need to look for lower low formation. If it's rejecting from the key level, you need to look for higher high formation. Okay. If you are getting higher high formation, you need to make buy position after considering our confirmations. Okay. If you are getting lower low formation, you need to make sell position after considering our confirmations. Okay. Let's wait for some time and let's see. Before that, I'll be explaining some other scenario. Let's move back and let's see. Okay. Let's search for some moments. Then I'll be implementing I'll be backtesting the price action strategy there. Oh, what a upward movement. Looks like a great move. Okay. This looks great. Okay. It looks like a pattern. Okay. See, Stock entered the pattern. It was consolidating here. Okay, it was moving in the pattern. Finally, it broke. Here it broke. Okay, all right. So my first confirmation is done because it is coming out of a pattern. My second confirmation is higher high formation. See, here is the higher high formation. Okay, so if this red can look at this red candle, if this red candle turns out to be a green candle, I can make entry here only. Okay, because it because the red color candle has formed here, I'm not going to enter there. Okay, I'm going to search. I'm going to wait for higher high formation at the junction only. Okay, if higher high formation is here, I'm not going to enter there because that's very far. Sorry, look, here it formed higher high formation, but I'm not going to enter at this point because it's very far from my entry point. My entry point should be immediately after the breakout. Okay, so I'm not going to enter if my higher high formation is here. Okay, I can enter here because this candle is touching the pattern here. Okay, so I can consider this entry. Now see, my first confirmation is done, that is coming out of a pattern. Second confirmation is also done, that is higher high formation, and color of both, I mean colors of both the candles are green. Okay, and I should be making entry at this point. Okay, and my third confirmation is VWAP. Studies VWAP. All right, VWAP is asking me to go for buy position because candles are above VWAP. Third confirmation is also done. Fourth confirmation, moving average, value 35. Color should be black. Done. So moving average is also asking me to go for buy position. Okay, because candles are above moving average. I have got 4 confirmations. Then I look for fifth confirmations, which are volumes. Now volumes are also more than black line. Okay, volume bars are also more than black, I mean moving average on the volume. That means more than average number of buyers are coming to the market. Okay, so I can expect a bullish move and I can blindly make an entry here after considering 5 confirmations. Okay, so I'm entering at 1039. I'll make buy position at 1039 minus, I'll be selling it. So in this scenario, my stop loss will be here. Okay, below the breakout candle, I mean below this green candle and below this level, below this key level. My first target will be this level because this is like a resistance level, right? Okay, stock, I mean here is the next resistance level, so this will be my first target. So let's go near our entry. All right, I have entered here and this is my, I have entered here and this is my profit. So I'll be exiting here. Okay, at this point. So it's 1050 minus 1050 equal to 11 points. I have got 11 points. Now 11 into, imagine that I am trading with 1000 quantities, 11,000 rupees, done for the day. One stock, one good moment, you are done for the day. Okay, you can peacefully shut down your system and chill out your rest of the day. Okay, that's how our strategy works. This is the legendary price action strategy. And when it comes to this scenario at the current market price, it really takes more time because we need to wait for high formation or we need to wait for low formation if it's breaking down. So it takes more time. Okay, so that's how you should be trading using price action strategy for intraday. Okay, time frame should be 10 minute, strictly 10 minute. Okay, so all right, let's get on to the slides. So entry, exit, stop loss, target, you already know all these things. Okay, so I'm going to repeat. Entry should be made immediately after breakouts, and entry can also be made when stock is getting rejected by the key level. I already spoke about it. And before making an entry, consider these points. 1, wait for a higher high or low formation after making, I mean after breakout or rejection from the key level in 10-minute time frame. Okay, and breakout candle and confirmation candle should be of same color. That is our second confirmation. You know that. And take confirmation from volumes. Don't forget. Take also confirmation from VWAP. Very important. and take confirmation from 35 moving average as well. Okay, and also look for candlestick patterns. Okay, candlestick patterns act as additional confirmations. Okay, and use these indicators as confirmations before making entry. Okay, so stop loss should be placed below the key level. I already shown you that how to place stop loss. Okay, in this scenario, where is our breakout? Yes, in this scenario, this should be our target. This should be our stop loss. This should be our entry. Okay, this should be our entry. This should be our stop loss below the breakout candle or below the key level, and this should be our target, which is next to support and resistance level. So stop loss helps us to reduce losses if market goes against our direction. Okay, and do not enter a trade without stop loss. This is very important. I have already explained this with an example, saying that you should not be going to war without a gun or knife. Okay? If you do that, you will be killed there. If you trade without stop loss, same, you will be killed here as well. You will face huge losses if you're not entering with stop loss. Okay, and always trail your stop loss. Trailing stop loss is nothing but it's simple. You need to edit your stop loss from here to here once the market started moving towards upward. Okay, so when the market is at this point, you can move your stop loss to a little bit out upward. Okay, so that if the market reverses back and hits your trailing stop loss, even though you will be in profits. Okay, so that's the concept behind trailing stop loss. I'm going to explain this about this little later. And target target should be next possible or nearest to support and resistance level. You already know that. Always trail your stop loss. This is very important. And start booking partial profits at your first target. You already know what is first target, what is second target. Okay, first target should be your nearest to support and resistance level, and second target should be next to support and resistance level. Okay, and it's ideal to book 70% of your quantities at the first target. For example, if you are entering with 1000 quantities, you need to book 700 quantities at the first target. I repeat, imagine that if you are entering with 1000 quantities in it for a trade, you need to book 700 quantities at first target, and you need to book remaining 300 quantities at the second target. Okay, that's the ideology. You need to book 70% of your quantities at the first target and leave remaining 30% of quantities to the second target. Okay, you can also book 100% of your quantities at the first target also. You can also do that, but the ideal scenario to make huge profits, the professional traders do this. Okay, they book 700%, they book 70 percentage of their quantities at the first target, and they leave remaining 30% of the quantities for second target. All right, so these are the important points you need to keep in your mind while trading price action for intraday. Okay, as a beginner, time frame should be strictly 5 minutes. Okay, once you're experienced, you can go down to 5 minutes, not below that. And beginners can enter only after retracement. You know what is retracement? Nothing but a little comeback, little pullback. In this scenario, this is pullback. Say it broke, came back to the same level, and boom. Okay, so beginners should be entering at the after the retracement. Okay, so that's that. That's the logic behind this point. And hunt for strong support or resistance or trend lines or chart patterns. I repeat, you need to hunt. You need to hunt like a lion for strong support and resistance levels, for strong trend lines, for strong chart patterns, because that will make you rich. That will give you money. You know what are the confirmations. You already know what are 5 confirmations that you need to do. But the first main thing is you need to find strong support or resistance level, or strong trend lines or strong chart patterns to make. To be a billionaire, to be a millionaire, you only need to find a strong support and resistance level or trend lines or chart patterns. Okay, so work on that, and always trade on breakouts or trade on retracements. Okay, and do have a look at size of the candle when it's near support and resistance level or trend on a chart pattern. I already told you, if the size of candle is big, what to do, what not to do. Okay, in this scenario, In this scenario, look at this thing. Not in this scenario. Yeah, in this scenario, the candle is very huge here. So you can place stop loss here as well. Okay. Because the candle is very huge, but that's not a good thing. Your ideal stop loss should be here only. Okay. If the candle is even more huge, imagine that your candle is this big, then do not take up that trades if your candle is this much big. Okay. So always do multi time frame analysis, go from higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, I'll be explaining you about multi time frame analysis in later sessions. But yes, you need to find strong support and resistances levels in higher time frames as well, because higher time frames are more stronger than lower time frame. For example, if you draw support, resistance, trend lines, and chart patterns in higher time frame, those will be very stronger than levels which are drawn in lower time frame. I repeat, higher time frames are more stronger than lower time frames, and levels which are drawn in higher time frames are more stronger than levels which are drawn in lower time frames. Okay. Similar way, levels which are drawn with more touch points are more stronger than levels which are drawn with less touch points. When I say touch point, you need to have minimum 2 touch points to draw anything. But if we are drawing with 10 or 15 touch points, that means the levels are more stronger. Okay. And do not forget, fifth confirmation is important, which are volumes. So always have a look at volume chart. Volume should be close to or more than 10 moving average during breakouts. Okay. All right. And stick to targets. Targets are very important. And start booking partial profit. When I say partial profit, you need to be booking 70% of your quantities at the first target. And target should be minimum 2% for beginners. I mean, it should be 2% for beginners. You should not expect more money in starting days. Okay. You need to be concentrating on drawing levels perfectly. If you're a beginner, money will come to you, but you need, only if you master how to draw them perfectly. Okay. So trade according to your risk appetite. I'll be talking about risk in later sessions. And if the breakout happens between 9:15 to 9:25, do not take up the trade. Okay. Because market is more volatile during the start of the day. Remember this point. And if you miss an entry, don't worry. Market gives so many opportunities on every single day. Okay. So sit back and chill and search for another opportunity. Okay. And chart should be clean and neat. This is very important. Do not do not miss. Don't make your chart dirty. Okay. And do not over trade. When I say this, you need to be taking only 4 or 5 position. You should be making only 4 or 5 position per day. Okay. Do not over trade. And do not force your trades. When I say forcing your trades, you should not be missing out on a confirmation. Okay. You need to look for all 5 confirmations. If you're missing out on confirmations, that means you're forcing your trades, and you may not achieve good results if you force your trades. Okay. And do not make your brokers rich by over trading. When I say this, if you are making, I mean, if you are over trading, that means you are making more positions. That means your brokerage will be huge, which is nothing but all your profits will be taken your broker only to pay the brokerage. Okay. So keep that point in the mind. All right. I'm expecting that we had a great session on backtesting price action strategy with different stocks. Okay. I have explained I have backtested the strategy in almost every stock, but in this session, I have explained it with few stocks only. Okay. So you can also try your hand at different stocks, implement the strategy, and send me the results. Okay. So this strategy is king of stock market. Okay. So this price action strategy, which we have discovered, is king of stock market analysis. It gives good points. It has a capacity to make you rich. Okay. So please do not give up on trading. Please do not give up on this strategy. It's very important. And yes, you need to master this strategy to become rich. Okay. So if you guys like my explanation, if you're very clear with what was taught in this session, please please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.